Last week, Adobe started its early Black Friday deal, and you could buy single apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro plan and save 25% for the first 6 months. The early Black Friday offer just ended. However, don't worry, I have better news for you today. The countdown for Black Friday 2023 sales just ended now. And Adobe just announced that you can save 50% on Creative Cloud all apps for the first year. It is not for a single app, but for Creative Cloud all apps. And not for 6 months, like early Black Friday, but for 1 year. It is not often you see such discounts on Adobe products. You can find the link to Adobe Black Friday deals below in the description. Be aware that these deals won't last forever. They will run from the 18th of November to the 24th of November. Adobe products like Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign are some of my favorite tools for my KDP business. I create almost all my covers and interior files with these tools. I also use Premiere Pro to make YouTube videos like the one you are watching right now. So, if you want to bring your business to the next level, I strongly recommend you learn these professional design tools. I already have Illustrator tutorials for Amazon KDP, complete beginner guides in my channel. You can start learning with these videos. And I will make more videos about it in the coming days. Also, you can find thousands of free tutorials on YouTube. When you buy Creative Cloud all apps, you get 20 plus Creative Cloud apps including Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Express, Premiere Pro, and Acrobat Pro. You can create Amazon KDP cover files in Photoshop. You can create both Amazon KDP covers and interiors in Illustrator. You can use Acrobat Pro to manage your PDF files before uploading to Amazon KDP. You can use Premiere Pro for video editing. You can create AI generative images in Adobe Firefly, and you can use Adobe Express for any of your social media projects. It is like Canva. So if you ask me which tools you should learn in 2024 as a New Year resolution, I would recommend you learn these Adobe products. So check the link below in the description for the Adobe Black Friday offers, and don't miss out on your chance to save big on Adobe products this Black Friday. I advise you to buy Creative Cloud all apps, but if you are thinking about a single app and are not sure which apps are best for you, you can ask me in the comment section. I will publish a new video for Amazon KDP soon, probably tomorrow, so make sure to subscribe. See you soon.